think I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna try to make it into a box. I got up to about 1,700 RPMs there, sweet Larry, and I expect a chocolate chip cookie in payment for that call out. Just went over the edges to make sure I had no tool marks on there, and I sanded with 80 grit, 180, 240, and 600. I think I need to do on these sides a little bit more because I don't think what I attach is going to be. The reveal of all this beautiful wood. So this is all black maple, this is a burl, and then black maple again. I think I screwed up the tip of this. I'll have to sand that off after. But let's see how this looks. Go very slowly because this is not. This is so fragile at the tip, I don't really want to make this any tighter. So it's not going to be very level. right, let's see. Wow, look at those colors. Isn't this gonna be beautiful? Oh, I'm so excited. So excited. Let that dry. Then I gotta figure out how on earth I'm going to sand. Somebody recently told me I don't need to sand between coats of polyacrylic, so maybe. But this is still even a little milky white because it's still not dried, so it's still like the white, so it's gonna be even darker than this.